Hi guys, okay, I'm basically here to show you guys how I achieve these like messy gypsy ombre locks here, the faux locks. This is synthetic hair, by the way. I'm basically just going to show you how to get that like lovely transition and not that blunt look that you often see in the videos where people just use a black color at the top of their hair and then wrap it with another color. This here, I'm basically going to be using right here, bohemian braid hair and deep twist hair. And you can pretty much use whatever curl pattern you want to use. Really doesn't matter. But I used 7 packs of curly hair, which is 5 packs of bohemian braid, 1 pack of cocoa curl, and 1 pack of deep twist color 30. 3 packs of the OT27 Model Mojito hair, which is the ombre hair. 1 pack of the color 27, plain color 27, Model Mojito. And 1 pack of color 27 Cuban Twist by Freetress Equal. And then to get a cute little character to my hair, I wanted to add 1 blue lock. And so I used 1 pack of teal blue Cuban Twist hair. That hair is so gorgeous. I'm thinking about doing my whole head with it. So the strands were split in half and separated to kind of stretch the bags a little, you know. So yeah, I also had some decor for my locks, some shells. Look at that. Yay. Okay, so let's get into the tutorial. Basically taking a lock down to show ya how to put one up, how to get this ombre effect. And as you can see, some of my locks are peeking through. You can see the braid peeking through because these locks are old, you guys. They are old, but I decided to show you guys how to do this. So this is my bohemian hair that I am braiding with. I'm going to braid down a bit, and then I'm going to pull a curl out. I'm going to pop a curl out. You want to section off a part of the bohemian hair. You want to section it off to make a slim curl. You want to pull that curl out and either pin it up or throw it up, whatever. So that's what I'm doing here. And this hair is synthetic, like I said, so you have to work with it. You can also do this hairstyle with human hair and Marley hair, or all human hair. It will be just as great. I got this idea from Jazz Nicole. She basically pulls her curl out like so and continue braiding, and she pulls out another curl. And then you just basically get your Marley hair of your choice and wrap. And remember that your curls are pulled out. Wrap around those curls, wrap around and under, basically. But here I'm just continuing to braid down. If you want to braid all the way down, you can. But here I'm just going to braid down past my hair. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here. And then here is the ombre hair, the OT27. You want to start where the black is. Do not start at the end of that hair, okay? That's what a lot of people do, and it makes it look crazy. So you want to start with the black. You want to put a part of the hair against the braid, like so. And you want to start to wrap it around. And you will notice that it will go from black to blonde. Do not forget that you pulled out curls. Do not wrap those curls in. I do that sometimes. I forget. You want to pull the curl out, pull it up, pin it, get it out of the way, whatever. Continue to wrap underneath. And then you want to not forget that you have another curl almost halfway down. And you want to take that, and then you want to pull that up as well. Get that out of the way. Y'all, it is time consuming for real. But once you get the hang of it, you get the hang of it. But I ended up putting the curl in my mouth. That's how frustrated I get. That's a habit I formed. Like, just pop it in my mouth, get it out of my way so I could kind of halfway be able to wrap this correctly around that curl. And not include the curl within the wrap, if that makes a lot of sense. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, this is what forms that messy look with the hairs kind of in a random spot. You want to keep wrapping down, and when you run out of hair, remember the hair that we put against the braid? We're going to continue to wrap with that. So you just take it from against the braid and continue to wrap. And it can be hard to start out. You see I hesitated. Continue wrapping on down. If you run out of hair here, you're going to want to grab your full regular color 27 hair that I said that I used. to achieve this style. You should have some packs of that you can finish your lock out with if you want your locks long. And my locks are pretty long. So here I'm finishing up, and I'm about to add the 27, the full 27 here at the end to finish out the lock. Don't have much to finish out, but because I'm going to have the curly ends or whatever. So when I feel like I've wrapped enough, I just end up cutting. I'm wrapping down, as you can see. Yeah. And I speed it up there, cut the remainder, continue wrapping, and then I use a lighter. That's the freaking seal method I chose. You can use glue, whatever, tie a knot, whatever. This is just faster for me. And then to thin out the curl at the end, I kind of cut some of the curl off. As you can see, I kind of thinned it out because we have too much curl going on. Then it starts to look bushy on the ends. Then I seal it again to make sure it doesn't go anywhere. The lock was too long, so I cut it. And then, yeah, I'm showing you here the curls that are left out. And boom, throw it back. That's how you do that goddess lock. Do me a favor, you guys. Thumbs up this video for me, please. If you would like to know when more videos like this are coming, do hit the notification bell so you will be notified when videos like these are being uploaded. Oh, and here I'm just showing y'all my curls, my curly locks. They curl up on their own like this, guys. It's all depending on the braiding hair you use underneath. It'll take the form of the braiding hair. So it's taking the form of the bohemian braid hair. So that's how the curls come into play. The wavy locks come into play. Just letting you know. Initially, my locks had way more curls, but I ended up cutting them out because the synthetic hair was getting entirely tangled. I suggest doing this style with human hair, part Marley hair, part human hair, or all human hair. So yeah, that's it for this video, you guys. See you in the next one. Bye.